What? Wait, what?
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Fulton County, Kentucky, southwestern New Madrid County, Missouri, until 7:45 p.m.
Excuse me?
At 7:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Gideon, or 11 miles southeast of Campbell, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Polridgeville and Gideon around 7:10 p.m. Briscoe around 7:15 p.m. Marston around 7:25 p.m. Howardville, Lilburn, and New Madrid around 7:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Tallapoosa, Catron, and North Lilburn. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 33 and 45. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: New Madrid, Missouri, and Fulton, Kentucky.
Down on the corner, out in the street. Yeah.
Okay,
I'm not really, but I do
that was
play there
strange.
once in a while.